The infrastructure fund is made up of 100 billion rands commitment for seed funding. This will be used to facilitate projects relating to state infrastructure improvements over the next 10 years. The parties agreed that the DBSA will establish and manage the fund while receiving support from Treasury. Treasury Director General Dondo Mokgajane says there are systems and mechanisms in place to ensure transparency.
We've got procurement rules and processes in place, and we will be strengthening them, and we are strengthening them as we speak. It's important that, again, something that we've been saying over and over again, our process should be transparent, should be fair, should be competitive, and we must get the best value for government.
The infrastructure fund will be used as a viability gap funding for large-scale infrastructure investments. Support will be in different forms, including fund-deserving infrastructure projects, blended co-funding, capital subsidies or interest rate subsidies, and guarantees.
We will have to make sure that even if we were to deal with unsolicited proposals, but it will have to meet all the checks and balances to make sure that it is fair, to make sure that it is transparent, to make sure that there is optimum level of accountability, and to make sure that it is also cost effective.
Infrastructure South Africa will coordinate the infrastructure value chain.
These 50 projects that have been gazetted, the jobs numbers we are looking at is about 750,000. And I can say the majority of them are located in the rural areas. So what is the message with regards to blue tick in the rural areas? Is that even ahead of the fund coming into being, the 50 gazetted project wants to address that manifestation of inequality I referred to earlier on, the urban-rural divide, so that the quest and the objective for universal access gets to be achieved, and we give young people in the rural areas the best opportunity to get good quality education.
Diabo Seto, SABC News, Johannesburg.